So what are you eating?
Meat and noodles.
You're eating meat and noodles?
Yeah, delicious.
The food is delicious?
Yes, that food is delicious.
Okay.
No, Daddy likes it.
Daddy likes it?
Yeah.
So how do you eat spaghetti?
You turn the fork around. Below it when it's hot.
Mm-hmm.
And then you eat.
Okay. What did we put in the soup?
Say onion,
Mm-hmm.
and bell pepper,
Mm-hmm.
and say the eggplant,
Mm-hmm.
and say, say that's it. That's it.
Okay, good job. Clap for yourself. Yay.